afternoon and welcome back to Mobile Tuitions. So as I promised, just after this presentation, I'll be sending the second free package where we continue from where we ended. But I just wanted to take this time to run you through what we offer in mathematics for senior secondary um, level. So just as this our outline present, so you know that indeed we have our specific schools where we are studying from, be it government schools or be it private schools, but having a tutor to help you through much would help you uh, to get more of what is needed. So it doesn't matter if you have a working knowledge in mathematics or not, but we as mobile tuitions could introduce you to appropriate basics and can help you to carry on with studying or understanding mathematics. So this is our curriculum for mathematics. So the first topic looks at basic arithmetics, and it is under basic arithmetics where we need to go or maybe to look at numbers like we did in the last presentation. We look at operations on real numbers, which is what I'll be presenting on just after this presentation. Then we also look at factors and multiples. We look at conversions of fractions, decimals, and percentages. We also look at operations on fractions. So if you really are going to understand operations on real numbers, it will not be hard for you to understand operations on or fractions, because it is the same undertaking, or the calculation will be similar. The only difference is that the first one is on numbers or real numbers, the second one is on fractions. Then on the second topic in mathematics or senior level mathematics, we look at social and commercial arithmetics, where we discuss or look at cost and selling price. We look at simple and compound interest, value added tax and depreciation. Then we also look at profit, loss and discount, conversions of currencies, different utility bills, bank and postal charges. We also look at social security schemes. We also look at timetabling in transportation. So that is important whether you are a student or not. That would help you on a social as well as commercial aspect, so long you are you live in a society, or so long you are involved in any kind of transaction or business. Then from there we carry on the third topic. We'll look at indices, squares, as well as square roots, where we'll look at laws of indices, positive, negative, and zero indices. We'll look at multiplicative inverse. We also look at fractional indices, squares of numbers, and conclude with square roots of numbers. From there, we'll go to topic 4, where we look at sets and set logic, and there we discuss set notations and presentations, operations on sets. Then we also close it with Venn diagrams. Then from there we go to topic 5, where we discuss basic algebra, basic processes of algebra. We also look at algebraic expressions and algebraic fractions. Then on topic 6, we look at equations, and we commence it by looking at how to construct and use formulas. Then we also look at changing the subject of an equation, the linear equations, one or two variables. We look at solutions of simultaneous equations, as well as equations involving indices. Then from there, we need to discuss then topic 7, which looks at inequations and linear programming. So I would love to go through what is covered under each topic, but you can see from this presentation. So from In equations, there are topics that we need to run through. Then from there, we go to topic 8, which looks at functions. From there, we'll discuss topic 9, which looks at angles and polygons. Then we'll go to topic 10, which looks at bearings, and it has got all that needs to be covered under it. Then we'll also look at ratios and proportions, which is topic 11. Then that takes us to topic 12, which looks at sequences and series. Then we also look at quadratic equations in topic 13, and topic 14 looks at matrices. Yeah. Then topic 15 looks at symmetry. 16 looks at coordinates geometry. Then topic 17 looks at congruence and similarity. That is all important components of mathematics. Then topic 18 looks at circle theorem, or yeah, where we also have a lot of parts to discuss for us to complete such a section. Then in topic 19, we look at mensuration. 20 looks at geometrical construction and loci. Then we also, in topic 21, look at trigonometry. Yeah, sorry for that. We look at trigonometry in topic 21. Then 22, we concentrate on approximation. 23, concentrate on probability and all that falls under it. 24 looks at statistics. 25 looks at relations and functions. Then that's 25. Topic 25 looks at relations and functions. Then 26 as a topic, concentrate on variations. That is all important. Then 27 looks at functions and travel graphs. Then 28 concentrate on linear programming. Then 29 is on transformation, and 30 is on earth geometry. So all this is the overview of our curriculum. Then 31 looks at vectors and whatever falls under it. And lastly, the last topic in our mathematics introduces you to calculus, where we look at differentiation and integration. So this all is important if you are doing mathematics, if you are, let me say, in senior secondary level. You can see that almost all the topics are highlighted here. So don't take your time. Please register with mobile tuitions and get started by learning with us both online and offline. That means you can have the discussion both online on the learning platforms such as Zoom or Google Meets. Then offline, that is physical, and it depends with your choice. And it is on that all the calculations for payments are based. So thank you. This is just our curriculum for mobile tuitions in mathematics. Thank you.